Well, I was rolling into Cebu, felt like I was riding on a rail. Thought I'd see some ocean breeze, maybe catch a salty trail. But the traffic hit me harder than a shot of cheap tequila. Made a Nashville highway look like a lonely little villa. It was bumper to bumper, folks, a nasty metal cross, where I aged about 10 years sitting in that southern mall. Oh, the 1-inch club, that's the only way to drive. Got no room for Jesus if you wanna stay alive. Just a single little inch between the fender and the grille. It's a terrifying thrill, it's a terrifying thrill. We're all members now, baby, of the 1-inch club today. Driving like they do in Saigon, getting on our way. Then the rain came pouring down like a bucket from the sky. Turned the pavement into rivers, watched the big cars floating by. Flooded Collins Street, looked like a new swimming pool. Saw a tiny little fish swim right up to my window cool. Now I don't know if the flood control project was a waste, or if we're just underwater, sea level in great haste. Cebu, Colin, SRP, none of them were dry. When that water starts to rise and you can kiss your sandals goodbye. Oh, the 1-inch club, that's the only way to drive. Got no room for Jesus if you want to stay alive. Just a single little inch between the fender and the grille. It's a terrifying thrill, yes, a terrifying thrill. We're all members now, baby, of the 1-inch club today. Driving like they do in Saigon, getting on our way. Yeah, now I gotta give them credit for the skill and the control. 1 inch apart and yet they never touch a soul. It's horrific but exciting, it's a terrifying art. It takes a special kind of driver and a brave little heart. Yeah, the rain is gone, the sun is out, the engine's starting humming. But the lesson that I learned in Cebu is what keeps me from becoming a crash test dummy on the sidewalk with a frown.